our TX device. TX device updates should always be consulted with your technical engineer from TURCK banner. Alright. First, we start by searching the address for your TX device. So the reason why we do updates for our TX device is to make sure that the CODESYS version matches, or if you're using TXVisuPro, that the version matches with this as well. Okay, so right now I'm going to go into my device web page. Make sure that if you're coming into the web page to key in this exact URL. Alright, so machine config /hex/management. Under the management page, you'll be able to find the config OS and the main OS. Over here, typically they will show the version number as well as the date for this particular version. Alright, make sure to get the correct version from your engineer. So before updating the config OS and the main OS, you have to make sure that your applications page is cleared. So make sure that all applications have been deleted. After this is done, we navigate back to management, go to settings, clear the settings by clicking restore. They will prompt you with a system update. Alright, then data, make sure you clear it as well. So once these two are cleared, they will always prompt you with a system restart. So now what we are going to do after these two are cleared is that we do the config OS first, and then we update the main OS. So under the config OS, you click update, and you'll be able to see that you have to drag an image file over here. That is the TURCK file. Okay, and then under your MD5 file, do the same thing. Once you start, it will take about 4 or 5 minutes. It will update fully, and then it will prompt a system restart. So we'll come back once this is done. So now that config OS has been updated, we will continue with the main OS. Main OS is similar. We click into the main OS tab. Over here we have the TURCK file, we have the MD5 file, and we continue with it. So we'll come back later where we will install the applications as well as set the network settings. Okay, so main OS has been updated. Now we will come and double check on the network settings. After settings has been deleted, the network will be changed. So it will default to the DHCP default address, so it's a 168 sort of address. Okay, now to go to applications, if you are using the TXVisuPro application, you can immediately start downloading by using run manage target and then choosing the correct target. So it will be based on your IP address and the TURCK device name. Alright. If you are using CODESYS, however, then what we will do here is your technical engineer will also provide a CODESYS package for you. So what you will do is click on app management, go to install and update, and you will drag your file inside. So drag the entire zip file inside here, and it should look like this. Okay, and with the CODESYS version right here, and look for ARM32. So again, we will come back once this update process is completed. So now we have already updated it. If you click into app management, you can see the exact version of CODESYS runtime that is installed on your TX device. Let's recap. First, we started by making sure that your data inside services was cleared. Make sure that the settings has been cleared. Okay, so restore. clear the data. Then we came to applications to make sure that there was no CODESYS inside, no TXVisuPro or HMI runtime. Then and only then do we check and update the config OS and main OS. After config OS and main OS has been updated, then we can install an application. Hope that was useful, and let me know if you have any questions.